Hey, what's going on, guys? So Lewis here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to play Call of Duty Mobile on your PC. Okay, and it's really simple. The controls are good as well. You don't have to like edit it, a bunch of stuff. Just a couple things that you guys got to tweak, and that's going to be my next video, the best controls for PC. But let's get to it. I'm going to show you guys how to download Call of Duty Mobile on PC right now. So first thing you guys want to do is go to this website. Right here, it's called Game Loop. This is the software that you're gonna download in order to play Call of Duty Mobile, and they have other games as well. Any other game on your phone that you guys want to play, like PUBG or something like that. So download it. All right, the link is in the description below. Download it, it's free and everything. And then right after you download it and then you install it and everything, I'm gonna open it right now. It's gonna have Call of Duty Mobile right in the front, so it's already made for Call of Duty Mobile, and it's gonna ask if you want to install Call of Duty Mobile. You just click install, and then you will install Call of Duty Mobile. As you guys can see right here, I have it right here. So when you click on it, it's gonna open. Obviously, I'm gonna show you guys a little game. Now another thing, when you download it, let's say you already downloaded it on your phone, you already have an account and everything. If you want to have that same account on your PC, you have to link it to Facebook. So link it to Facebook on your phone first, and then go on PC, and then it's going to give you the option here to link on Facebook or go in as a guest. For now, I just made a guest account to show you guys how it works and how it looks and everything. So let me actually put it in full screen so you guys can see. The graphics are really good. The controls are already set up for you to do well. Just a couple things, like I said, I'm gonna make a video. My next video, it should be out. I'll probably leave in the link below or in the end screen so you guys can see the best controls for Call of Duty Mobile. So let's get a game right now so you guys can see, and it runs really good as well. Now I don't know if they are matching keyboard players and mobile players with the same matchmaking in the same lobby. If any of you guys know that already, you guys can leave in the comments. So right here, guys, it tells you the controls in the beginning, then it goes away. So right here, if you want to do the kill streaks 5 4 3, so let me just select this here. If you want the grenade, it has a G right there, you click the G. If you want to reload, it has R. But it basically already has the controls just for any regular shooter on your PC. Now I have it set up for you gotta hold to aim. I like it more like that because it just feels more natural. But when you first get it, it's gonna be you click once and it stays on the aim. Let me just get this guy real quick. So you want to get that off, and I'm gonna show you guys in the next video how to take that off in the settings. It's really easy, but as you guys can see, it's really good. It's not lagging. I actually have it on the best graphics, and the graphics are pretty good. You guys can see. Load. And to switch guns or like to your secondary, you just, if you have the mouse with the scrolling thing, you just, yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Look out later for my next video on the best controls on this game, the best controls for PC, so it can feel as natural as possible. So look out for that, and look at these other videos that I have here in my end screen and in the comments below. If you guys got any questions about anything, leave in the comments. Like this video if it helped you guys out, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.